Do this fucking show. Let's do this show. Shit. Guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the chat. Sorry, making sure I fucking get on here and make sure the camera's rolling. Guys, I hate to say I told you so. That kind of is the case when you think about it today. It doesn't really matter what the hell you think, honestly, guys. The price is up. Okay, the price is up a lot. And we're increasing in price, guys. I don't expect it to slow down. So, if you think it's going to slow down, maybe it will, but, maybe it won't. It'll keep going up, and, you'll be watching it go up, and everybody else will be watching it going up, wondering why they didn't buy Bitcoin Cash when it was at these lower prices. But, what are we going to do, guys? We're going to try to tell everybody. So, you can't force people to buy it. You can't, this all the time. You can't force people to buy it. But, there's not really any reason other than, maybe the halving and everything else cool going on in Bitcoin Cash that the price is up. But, the price doing pretty darn good here on the overall crypto market, guys. So if you're not subscribed, guys, check out the channel here. We are doing a live stream pretty much every single second of every single day. Because we want to spread the word of cryptocurrency, guys. We want people to understand what cryptocurrency actually really is, rather than what mainstream news wants you to believe and what BlackRock want you to believe. But not a lot of news on crypto, guys, other than the upcoming Bitcoin Cash conference, BCH Bliss, and Roger's new book, guys. And let's take a minute, guys, to really jump into Roger Ver, guys, because a lot of people don't know who he is. If you're new to crypto, a lot of people don't know really much about him, but we're talking about somebody with over a decade of experience in the space, guys. So when we're talking about somebody that is, we still see this warrior, this warrior mindset in Roger where we are today, guys. I mean, to be in crypto that long, and to continue to be, trying to develop something, new to increase the disruption in the financial system, to get everybody more freedom, guys. That is what it's about. It's actually about giving every, Raji? Are you talking about Roger Ver? You haven't heard? So yeah, guys, we're talking about somebody that is making crypto better and better, guys. And that's what we keep talking about on the channel. And that's kind of what we're trying to duplicate in the space. The crypto YouTube world is we're trying to make stuff better and better, guys, because like I said the other day with this crypto stuff, either you're spending crypto or you're making it. All right. When I mean making it, you're taking fiat dollars and putting your money into crypto like it should be. So Roger has released a book that we're all going to be checking out here. I'm sure if you're on the channel, you've at least heard me mention Roger Ver before, but we are going to be buying his book, and we're going to be reading the book and seeing what we can learn, guys, because we don't want to be thinking in our heads that what's good, Mr. Fool, what's good. We don't want to think we just know everything about everything, guys. I hate people like that. People that don't want to learn something new. They don't want to be better and better, and they think they just think the way things are is the way things are going to be, and that's a really stupid way of looking at it, guys. And that's why I stick with Bitcoin Cash and Roger Ver on a lot of this stuff, guys, because at the end of the day, if you really take an account to what communities are out here doing stuff, it's really only a handful, guys. Other than, if you want to say providing liquidity for an order book to a crappy token or altcoin is doing something, I don't think that. I think that the communities that are doing stuff are actually out here, actually doing stuff. So, whether or not you want to think Bitcoin Cash is doing stuff, I've been telling you guys to look into it, and we'll just fucking all see. That's what I think. I think we'll all just fucking see how this thing turns out. And some people might like it. Some people might not. That doesn't really change the fact that it's going to happen either way. So you might as well just accept, guys, if you're on the BTC camp, hating Bitcoin Cash for whatever reason, that's a stupid fucking way to be, because we're not going anywhere. We're basically here, and get fucking used to it. You know, get fucking used to Bitcoin Cash taking over the world, because it's growing, guys. You know, we're seeing Bitcoin Cash actually do something a little bit different here. That's not run-of-the-mill, vanilla-ass, boring, just nothing happening, you know, in crypto world today other than Bitcoin Cash rising fucking insane right now. So it's already up to $541. And people that listen to me about Bitcoin Cash, guys, they're actually doing pretty good. So that's the whole funny part about it, is because I hear all these haters online, you know, putting comments in my section. You know, if you guys don't like Bitcoin Cash, why are you trolling the internet trying to spam my channel about Bitcoin Cash? If you're so not fixated about it and you're so anti-Bitcoin Cash, you know, it doesn't make much sense to me, guys, to think people don't have Bitcoin Cash, BTC, BSV, and to see which one does better. Well, I think that's going to come down to which one we see does better, guys. And I think that's going to be Bitcoin Cash and BSV, honestly, comparatively to BTC. And even though we're not up yet, we're not up on Bitcoin Core. You know, we're not, you know, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys and say, you know, we're doing fucking fantastic here, but you know, it's not over. You know, none of this is over because it's just some specific date and time, guys. It's gonna be over when the fat lady sings, guys. And you know, I don't think there's ever gonna be a fat lady singing, guys, because I don't think this is ever gonna end. I don't think this thing that's, you know, the cat's out of the bag, I don't think it's ever gonna end. And at this point, you know, people that were saying it was gonna end, guys, they look stupider than shit. All the people that I know that was doubting crypto, they all look stupid as shit. They all probably watched this fucking channel and sitting there fucking, you know, either mad or desperately trying to get as much crypto as possible, because that's the thing with this crypto stuff, guys. You have to understand that, like, even if you're thinking about buying it now and you're not thinking about buying it, if you're not thinking about buying it now, you will be at some point. If you're not already buying it right now, you're not already buying into what we're saying on the channel, you're going to be buying it at some point. You know, you're going to be buying this stuff at some point. And get out of here with that Gari shit, man. Guys, don't buy Gari. I'm tired of people coming into this channel and saying buying Gari. They not one person has delivered anything in this channel saying, oh, buy Gari because of this. Don't fucking buy Gari, and stop fucking spamming the chat about Gari. You know, I'm not trying to ban anybody, but if Alan comes in here, he might fucking ban you, because I'm tired of hearing about fucking Gari Network. Okay, if you guys want to go buy it, go buy it. Don't come into the chat and just say, oh, buy Gari Network, because that's fucking retarded. So what's not retarded, guys, is the price of Bitcoin Cash and how fast it's going to be going up. And all these people, guys, it's not going to be like, oh, we got vengeance on, you know, we got vengeance. We got, you know, they got what's coming to them. It's not even about all that, guys. It's just about Bitcoin Cash being able to be used, being able to be sent. And guys, thank you for those micro payments during the bear market. Those are really doing well right now in my wallet. You know, and you know, the community's been sending me micro payments. Obviously, you know, not as much as I'd like, but you know, it's never enough, guys. There's never going to be enough. There's never going to be enough of this crypto stuff for any of us. You know, if you guys are in this stuff and you're liking it, there's never going to be some amount where you feel satisfied. So the only way to curb your, I mean, I don't want to call it addiction, but, you know, what am I getting? Somebody trying to log in. Oh, wow. Somebody trying to log into my old deactivated non-working Twitter. So good luck with that. I don't even care if you guys hack into that. Whatever. Go into it. You're not going to be able to even look at anything. So my point is, guys, is at this point, guys, Bitcoin Cash is unstoppable. There's nothing that is going to get in the way, even if it goes back down to 250, 200, 100, whatever. It's only going to increase the demand around people wanting to pile in at higher prices. So, you know, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to tell you guys. I've been telling you guys for fucking ever to look into this stuff, but It's never too late. It's never too late for you to start looking into it, I guess. See if there's anybody in the chat other than people promoting Gary. Yeah, where is Alan? I want to actually put Alan to work here. See if Alan comes down to the chat here. See if he can ban somebody. I'm just tired of hearing people come in here talk about it. Yeah, stop with this Gary. Stop with Gary. It's annoying. Okay, if you're gonna come in here and shill a coin, you know, you gotta put something in there. You know, you gotta put something other than the. You know, let's look at Gary. Actually, let's give this troll the peace of mind, or this bot, whatever it is. So yeah, it's ticker 613, guys. Let's take a look at it. It's got 5 Bitcoins worth of volume trading. I mean, absolutely nothing. And yeah, good luck with that. I don't know, guys. Sometimes you just got to come to the sense that you might have invested in a scam. It's like me coming in here to promote Bitcoin private or fucking into hash or fucking, you know, any of these other scams that I got into. It's just pointless. I mean, you know, will it come back? Probably not. You know, probably not, because this looks pretty stupid. It's on a bunch of decentralized exchanges, a bunch of crappy exchanges. Hubai is the only one. HTX, OKEX, Gate.io. Those are the only good Qcoin. But other than that, yeah, I wouldn't buy this token. It looks like garbage. Garbage can. So you might just kind of come to the realization you bought a scam. I mean, it might go back up, but probably not. You know, it doesn't look like it's a. It looks like a dump. It looks like the dev team dumped right here, because that's just too much of a downward pressure thing. But yeah. Gary or Gary? Did I just fucking yell at you for no reason? So yeah, I mean, guys, Gary, I'm not telling you guys to buy any coins, to not buy any coins. You know, this chart doesn't look very good, guys. I mean, you have to understand that, like, it's only down really, I don't know, 50%. So, no, wait. No. 22x. I don't know, guys. I wouldn't buy this. I wouldn't buy this crap. Let's move on. That's what I'm saying, guys. People have been coming into this, and the only reason I say it, I would be a little more optimistic, but people keep coming in here, and I think it's the same fucking person, because it's the exact same. It's the exact same thing. Buy Gary. Like, I mean, it's just stupid. You know, why? Why should I? Why should I buy it? I mean, we get other people coming in here bitching about stuff. I mean, SheepX will probably be in here bitching about something soon, but at least, you know, they have a reason to. Yeah, Gary was a rug, but weren't you talking about Gary? Who was coming in here talking about Gary? Who was talking about Gary? Yeah, why crypto? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Somebody said Gary about it, so yeah, I'm not. I just, guys, for some reason nobody comes in here and shills coin except for this Gary coin. So that's why we're calling this person out, because like I don't like when people come in here and just shill coins that are just fucking garbage, you know. And I'm not saying it is specifically, but you know, it's the same thing with this Bitcoin Cash stuff, guys. It's like, look at these articles. I saw some articles earlier. It was saying like Rebel Satoshi moves up before Bitcoin Cash. So you see these articles a lot of times in crypto where it's like trying to promote a shitcoin and then writing off the back of a reputable coin, like, for instance, Bitcoin Cash in this case. Look, here it is. Cardano. Look, see, here it is. Cardano and Bitcoin Cash maintain a great outlook for the bull run, while Rebel Satoshi teases price jump as meme coins rally. So it keeps like on the surface layer, it looks to tell you to try to buy Rebel Satoshi, and it's giving you the performance on Cardano and Bitcoin Cash, right? It's saying, oh, Bitcoin Cash and Cardano went up, so Rebel Satoshi is teasing. So it's like, this is the type of shit that is like why I'm calling the person out about Gary right now. It's because, you know, I don't want to hear people shill coins to people and then think that like because I bring it up or mention you in the chat, I need to go out and run and buy this coin. Stupid. Bitcoin Cash, guys, the volume has moved over a billion, I think. Yep, over a billion on volume, guys. And Litecoin's volume has picked up a lot, guys. So I would imagine with this price increase we're getting on Bitcoin Cash, I would say pretty soon here, we're going to have over a $10 billion market cap on Litecoin as well. Because the volume on Litecoin has absolutely exploded, guys. So Bitcoin Cash volume up a lot too, climbing on the charts. If you don't remember, guys, Bitcoin Cash was really one of the top 4 volume coins for like fucking 3 years. I mean, it was literally on the top 3, 4 spot. You know, Solana and BNB have kind of taken the ranks. It's fallen a little bit down. And it kind of fell down at a random time. It was weird. It was like the volume of Bitcoin Cash just dropped off the planet. You know, I want to say about a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago at this point. No, it wasn't that long ago. It was about a year ago. Year and a half ago. When we saw the price decline, we saw Bitcoin Cash volume drop. But it was kind of interesting because it was up on spot 1 to 4, 1 to 5 for quite a while. Litecoin volume fell too. But it's definitely climbing up. I mean, it's definitely climbing up. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin Cash was like top 3 or 4 volume here in a massive bull run, as well as Litecoin and some of these others. And I would expect, guys, they'll probably hold positions. I don't think they're going to be, you know, these aren't going to be as volatile on the downside anymore. I mean, they might be, but, you know, not saying we couldn't go under $100 again, but, you know, what are the chances of that, guys? I mean, what is the chances that this coin, Bitcoin Cash, and this community is going to go in the backwards direction? You know, I don't see it. I think the coin price is going up. I think people are either having to fucking liquidate their coin to spend. We're getting a lot of people coming in, and that's kind of pushing the price higher. And or if this coin is just finally being moved off the exchanges too much, where now the exchanges are going, wait, I got to get more of this. You know, we can't be letting these coins go for this price. We need to work together here to get the price up. You know, so people don't buy all these coins before we have a chance to know what we're doing. But I mean, new people coming into crypto, guys, with the prices of these coins, you guys are as dumb as people from FTX if you're just holding BTC. I mean, to be completely honest, I know people that hold 10, you know, I've heard of people that I've known, you know, their parents got money or whatever, they have, you know, 10, 20 Bitcoins, and they don't own any Bitcoin Cash, and they don't own any Bitcoin SV or any of these other, you know, Bitcoin Diamond, Bitcoin Gold. You know, I would say these people are not making the best choice here, because it would just be stupid. It would just be stupid, guys, and it would be one of those things where we would see an unraveling later on of potentially BTC. I mean, I know it. I'm not saying that could happen. I'm not saying that there's not enough people supporting BTC at this point. I'm just saying it is possible, right? Because if the miners, guys, they want to come over to Bitcoin Cash, I don't think it's that hard to do. You know, people have been on the channel. We had Joshua Hensley from back in, I don't know, it's been about a year at this point, come on the channel and say, you know, flip of a switch, guys. You know, a flip of a switch. And, you know, these miners can just go to Bitcoin Cash. And these people know tech, guys. These people I'm having on the channel here, they know what it is they're talking about. They're not your fucking typical YouTube shiller. You know, they're reputable people in the crypto communities. They're reputable community leaders of sorts. And, you know, we have them on the channel all the time. We've had Jeremy from the Bitcoin Cash podcast on the channel, you know, several times. You know, we've had fucking Land Soldiers. We've had, you know, Bitcoin Jason on the channel. We've had fucking early Bitcoin adopter. We've had people in these communities, guys, are going to be the direct reason we see this stuff improve, because there's nobody out here building out these other communities. There's just not really a lot going on in them. You know, once you pass Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Neo, and Zcash, and Dash, and the top 100 coins, once you get past like top 200 coins, these communities are basically just, you know, you guys might as well start your own. I'd rather support people in the chats community before I would support, you know, any coin past like number 300. Once you get past coins of like, you know, once you go through the first 300 coins, you know, you're really, your chances diminish very, very rapidly in terms of whether or not, you know, the coin you're in is a scam, or whether or not there's really any reason for you not to be in the blockchain that the token's built on. Because that's just the true nature of this stuff, guys. The reason is the coins that we're talking about here on the channel, they likely will continue to go up, guys, because right now we're seeing, you know, we're seeing a halving event come into place here in less than a week. Oh, about a week. And one thing I noticed, guys, did BSV like really ramp up transactions? I haven't looked at the transactions recently on BSV, but the halving has moved very close on BSV. I thought the halving was behind BTC. Drop it in the chat and let me know. Let me know if the blocks, you know, if things have been picking up on BSV. You know, there's about, I think I saw 100 million in volume on BSV earlier. So, you know, why is the halving event coming up? Yeah, 124 million US dollars worth of volume. But it looks like BSV halving has moved a little quicker in line in terms of the BTC halving, because I thought it was like a week or two after the BTC halving, or maybe the BTC network is getting clogged, and you know, maybe that makes a little bit more sense. So yeah, I probably would say that, you know, transactions are fucking taking forever. Yeah, they're poker chips. Exactly. Bill B89. I like that. I like your description. Yeah, the thing with BCH is you can swap it. You can do atomic swaps a lot with Bitcoin Cash, guys, and you can also just do centralized trading with Bitcoin Cash. There's a lot of exchanges that offer Bitcoin Cash trading pairs for other cryptos. So, you know, mental note that there are a lot of trading pairs for altcoins against Bitcoin Cash. You know, you can't say that for a lot of coins. You can say that for Ethereum, obviously. Back in the day when I started, guys, there was the Ethereum market and the Bitcoin market. Those were really the only two. The Tether market, it did exist, but it was small. And when shit hit the fan, you couldn't even move Tether. I had a friend that was stuck in Tether for like 11 months. I think it was on Bittrex, where he couldn't get his Tether out of Bittrex for like 11 months when the whole shit hit the fan and the credit card purchases on crypto became basically illegal. Or, you know, they banned it. Chase Bank banned it, or pretty much every credit card company banned it. But, you know, that was just the timing. That was what we saw. That was what we saw with crypto up to that point. And that was what we saw with prices. I mean, we were talking all-time highs. We're talking the birth of Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, I mean, the volume of Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, I don't know when Litecoin volume picked up, guys. I'm going to be honest. I haven't been following Litecoin volume. I just know it's picked up from last time we checked. But Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin volume, to be completely honest with you, it could have been picking up for the last couple days. You know, obviously it did with the trading that we've been seeing, you know, people buying and selling, you know, the exchanges doing their thing. So, but I feel like Litecoin volume picked up considerably. I feel like Bitcoin Cash volume has obviously been picking up, especially with these recent price jumps. But we saw Bitcoin Cash volume climb a few months ago, even when the market wasn't really going up super fast. You know, I would say like before February, we did start seeing volume. We were following volume on Bitcoin Cash rising, because it was like Bitcoin Cash volume fell to like number 20 something on the volume, you know, or 19 or something ridiculously low that just, to me, was unbelievable. You know, I couldn't believe that Bitcoin Cash volume didn't reclaim top 4 spot in the bear market. But, you know, we actually saw the exact opposite. We saw volume drop, and we saw these other tokens kind of come into the space, like Solana and some of these other ones. which is fine. I mean, I'm not, I'm not mad because the volume didn't pick up. I mean, it's only a matter of time, guys, before these coins that we're talking about on the channel climb. I don't want to say where they deserve, because again, guys, the coins are going to go where the selling and buying is taking them. Just think of it like that. So as long as we're doing the right stuff, we're doing the right stuff in the space and we're doing the right things, expect the communities to grow. And at the root core, that's the main purpose. If we don't have a community growing, we have nothing. All right. It doesn't matter how high the fucking coin price goes up or manipulated, or how high the exchanges push the price. If we don't have a really good, grassroots, strong, organically grown community, well, we got a fucking genetically modified community, and that's not going to be fucking good, because we got too many of the genetically modified communities out there. You know what I mean? GMOs. I don't know, guys. You hear all these people in the finance world talk about things like I don't know if the word's philosophically. But they're like, oh, the system has a pulse. We have to implement our tools to cool down the system. It's becoming overheated. So my point with all that is, if we don't have a good, strong community in crypto, it doesn't matter how the pulse is doing or how heated the crypto community is doing, because there's no growing community. The only community we have in crypto now that's really growing based on merit is projects like Bitcoin Cash, projects like BSV, projects like Dash, projects like Litecoin, projects like Ethereum Classic, projects like Neo. You don't go to every website, guys. You don't go to every project and they have an entire, section for their news, an entire DAO to make choices for the community on where to have funding and allocate funding to block rewards and stuff like that. Not every community is doing these type things. Not to mention a lot of these crappy tokens on here that we talk about on the channel, you can't buy them anywhere. They're traded so thinly. So the ones we talk about actually are mineable. There's only a certain amount of them ever going to be created. And there's a lot of money going behind this stuff, guys. Look at Caspa, for instance. Look how it's grown. Look how the Caspa community has grown over the last, year or whatever. I'd say that's when it's experienced the most substantial growth in terms of price. But really, the community was growing at a much lower price point, right? Because if you look at the community, the people that bought all the mining equipment, the people that, got this coin listed on the exchanges, it's really came a long way. And I think that if you see the transition and you actually look at the timelines on how far it's came, you'll start to see, guys, that not all these coins are making these type strides. Not every project is making strides like, Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin SV, Monero. So, I mean, it doesn't really matter which one, guys. We don't need to sit here and say, oh, well, it has to be this one. This is why. And if you don't buy this, you're stupid. That's stupid. All right. That is actually, that is just the dumbest thing somebody could recommend. So what we say on this channel, guys, is look into some of the stuff we're talking about. Look into Bitcoin Cash. Look into, BSV. Look into Ethereum Classic. Look into some of these mineable cryptos, because now that the tokenomics are coming into effect, we're going to start seeing price increases. So it's going to happen no matter what people think. Who shut down here? I had issues with Bittrex. Yeah, they shut down. Bittrex shut down, like, I think it's been over about a year now since they shut down. They basically, I think they moved to, I don't know where they moved to. I know they're still around, I think. I know they used to be out of Vegas. They used to be out of Las Vegas. Which means I guess they had a gambling license. Like I said, the regulations for crypto have changed a lot. Because I think Bittrex used to be right outside of Vegas or in Vegas, but they had licensures for, gambling, right? Like a lot of these crypto exchanges didn't have these money transmitting license and all these licenses you had to get. And then once Binance came into the US basically and did Binance US, and, other crypto exchanges became more legit because the need for them to become more legit had to be the case, We saw some of these crypto exchanges kind of just end up upside down or just not willing to. I think the thing with Bittrex is they were just like, fuck this. You know, they just said fuck it and just left. They didn't want to deal with the regulation and all that stuff. But, you know, now there's you know, there's a lot of crypto exchanges that have left the US and you know, a lot of people that haven't invested in the US just simply because of the regulation here. But that has nothing to do with crypto. I mean, the crypto isn't the US. That's even stupider to think. I mean, to be fair, the Bitcoin hash rate is China and the US. All right, guys, it's been real. I got to go walk the dog too. So we'll do an update here. Bitcoin Cash up $500 something, $540 something or something like that. And basically, guys, that's badass. You know, that's badass because we want to see price increase all the fucking time. Yeah, I mean, Coinbase, yeah. People bash Coinbase, yeah. All right, Bill B89, Sihan. I got some people in the chat that Mr. X. Appreciate you guys coming in, Mr. Full. And we'll catch you guys soon, guys. Just doing a little update because prices are, of course, rallying. And I want to get some more videos out, guys. I want to, you know, be doing some videos here. And make sure to check those out because I do want to do some videos, guys, on some of the stuff going on in each individual community. Bitcoin Cash included, guys. So we'll catch you guys soon. Take care.